Recording the sewer line here at 478 Front Street North, Issaquah. Dates August 21st, 2020. Recording this after we did a excavation outside here. We're in the process of installing a clean out to go back upstream towards the inside of the home because the clog was actually inside underneath the house. Due to the pipe formation, there was no way to clear this than the way we are doing right now, though. So we're going to make it so that it's doable again in the future, but I just want to show you this pipe so you know the condition of the line. So this is about where we were clogged. We're way back up underneath the house in the crawl space right now. This is what we're looking at. The bottom of the pipe is very worn, if not gone. It looks like it's almost a channel underneath there. And it's also holding some water, so the grade is not very good. So we may have more clogs in the future. I just want to show this part so that you're aware of it, that piping underneath the house should either be replaced or relined. I'll pull back all the way out to where our repair is. You see we have good grade now, but that cast iron is very rough and slowing sewage down. And come back into the plastic repair now. So there's our plastic as we exit the foundation. And coming up out of the repair, there's a little piece of the repair we're installing. And that's the end of the video. Downstream, we're all good. Matter of fact, I'm going to run the camera downstream real quick. So now we're going to go down, out towards the street. We jetted this line out and got it completely clear. As you can see, very clean. Good looking pipe. There's the main. So all the way out to the main, we were able to get it nice and clean with the jetter. And I'm going to finish the video there.